Hello, I'm going to be giving some useful tips about kitchen safety in my video to help make sure you stay in the kitchen and not end up in the hospital. Starting off with, when having a pantry or cupboard, it's important to make sure that you always keep all dangerous materials or appliances in there at all times to help kids from getting in there and potentially cutting themselves or doing something else. Statistics recently by the Consumer Product Safety Commission has shown that over 600,000 injuries have been treated by the ER due to kitchen appliance-related accidents in 2002. Moving on over to our first tip is with the cutting board. It's important to make sure that you always have two individual cutting boards to use, one for raw meats and one for vegetables, when cooking to help avoid cross-contamination. Always make sure that then after you're done, clean these with hot and soapy water. Moving on over to the knife, it's important to make sure to always cut on a stable surface to help avoid potentially cutting yourself. Always make sure to maintain a sharper knife at all times, the sharper the better. Lastly, make sure to never throw or place a sharp knife in a sink full of water, as you can cut yourself by not being able to see the knife. Wrapping up with pot holders, it's important to always make sure you use one of these when removing a hot pan from the stove top or an oven. Other materials and fabrics may seem like they can do the same thing, but they may not be able to withstand the heat as well, which can result in you ending up in the doctor or at the hospital for a burn injury. Thanks so much for listening to this brief video, and I hope these tips help you in the kitchen next time you're cooking something, and stay in the kitchen instead of being sent to the hospital. Thank you guys so much for listening.